chicks, how you doing? My name is Rokeya Khalifa. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn notification up. Now if you're my old subscriber, hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Please comment and share as well. Show me the brand love. But anyways guys, I bought a new pair trainers and I thought to myself, let me come here and share with you guys exactly what I brought and what color and what I picked this trainers, as you can tell by the title. So let's go ahead. No wasting time today. Let's just go ahead to the main video. See you in a bit. Trainers I got, guys, is Puma Future Rider. I literally love these trainers. I saw it when I went to buy the Jordans, and then I saw this person wearing it in the store, and I thought to myself, oh my god, the trainers looks amazing. But anyway, this is how they come like, literally in the box. This is how it comes like. Puma logo and whatnot, green and white box. And if you open it, you can see the trainers inside. So the one I got, it was the multicolored ones. I think I got different colors ones, but I picked this one because I thought obviously you just will go most of the stuff that I got in my closet, because I'm a person that I like to wear colorful stuff sometimes, and sometimes I don't. But these trainers all got most of the stuff in my closet. I really love these trainers. Let me just put this box back. So yeah, this is how they look like right now, guys. Brand new. I haven't worn them yet, so I came to show you guys new pair of trainers that I got. And then this is how they look like literally inside. It has like a plastic details right here. It comes outside of the trainers, and the side as well right here has it as well. And then I just love the multicolors. And then it has like a logo right here, Puma logo, and right there as well, quite colorful bright green right there logo, and it has like a logo for as well down there in the back. So it's 3 logos right there on the side and the back as well. And the inside it has a logo as well inside, Puma everywhere. So quite cool trainers. And inside it has like a sole. So inside the Puma logo is pink and white, basically. Literally so colorful, these trainers. I really love them. And then you can tell the fabric how literally layered. So you got purple, you got orange, you got pink, you got yellow, you got green right there, and you got black, and you got purple, and you got red, basically white, pink. You got every single color in the trainers, basically. I just love them, and I tried them on the thing when I went to buy them in the store, and they are literally so comfortable. And this is how they look like right there underneath the trainers. It has like a details as well right there. The trainers is like really too much details. You cannot miss the trainers. If you wear the trainers, everyone will know that you was in a building, you just left. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to say goodbye. They'll just tell by the trainers. They haven't seen the trainers in the building, she just left. So this is how the trainers looks like. And I got size 6, and I got size 6 in UK basically. Yeah, size 6. I was about to check. I was thinking, did I get size 6 or size 5.5? Because sometimes I do wear size 5.5, and sometimes I do wear size 6. It depends what kind of trainers they are, basically. But this one I picked size 6 in UK. And then there are, let me just check on the receipt how much they are first. So I got the receipt right here. So they are $74.99. So $74.99. Let's say 75, like 1p different. So $74.99 they retailed, even online as well. And I think all the color, they're literally same price. It depends what kind of color you want, what kind of personality that your shoes will bring out for your personality. So yeah, go ahead guys and buy the trainers. I think they're really affordable. $74.99 literally, they cannot go wrong. I think they're really affordable for literally, in my opinion. So get them and try them, whatnot. That's how I advise you. And so let's go back to the video and let's start styling the video. Yeah. That's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the pieces, and I hope you guys actually had the idea exactly what to wear with your trainers if you buy them. It doesn't matter what trainers you have, you can wear this style that I showed you in this video, any trainers that you don't have in your closet but you don't know exactly what to wear with. This is literally how to style your trainers. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and turn notification up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.